So this is our drip irrigation kit. So basically, like you have set that pin 4 as output and pin 4 is your motor. Then we are reading that analog value from pin 13, and pin 13 is your soil moisture sensor. So once we read the value, and if the value is greater than 2000, it means like it's dry. So we turn on the motor. And if the value is low, and if the value is like less than 2000, then we turn off the motor because like it's already, the field is already wet, and we put a delay of 1 second and continue this thing in loop. So let's just see the demo. This is our board, and you can see like on pin 13 I have connected the soil moisture sensor, and this is our MOSFET signal and MOSFET ground. So this is our soil moisture sensor. So currently it's in the air, so like it is not sensing any moisture, and this is connected to this MOSFET signal and ground, which is coming from here, and this is the power coming from a power adapter, and this is going into the motor. So this power is connected to this motor when the signal is high, and when the signal is low, the MOSFET will turn off the power to the motor. So this is our connection like ground and signal on the pin 4, and this is soil moisture sensor. So currently, because it's not sensing anything, so like it is on, and you can see like it is irrigating the field. I don't have a pot here, and like for demo purpose I need lot of water, so I put a bucket. So now you can see like the motor is on and our sensor is in the air, so like it is not detecting any motion. Now I'll put it in water, and you can see like it has turned off. So if I remove from water, like it will turn on the motor because it's not sensing any moisture. It is sensing the soil is dry, so it is turning on the motor, and like when there is water in the soil, it will turn it off. So it has turned it off. Same again, like when it senses dry, it will turn it on. So I'll just dry it and it will turn it on. Again, if it is wet, it will turn it off.